Literally, my job is to be in romantic places all the time. I
Hmm.
date people, I get to know them, and I get to know myself in the process. Dear जिंदगी में वो डायलॉग नहीं था कि कुर्सियां ट्राई करना चाहिए
Correct.
before you find the one. हम कुछ भी बात करते थे तो उसके बीच में he would start talking about cricket randomly, landing right there, and he would just like do it multiple times. I reject brand deals a lot. इंडिया में टूरिज्म में बहुत ज्यादा गैप है. Like there are multiple things that can be done. पूरा दिन लग जाएगा if I tell. Solo travel brings out the relationship you have with yourself.
Today we have with us someone who's turning solo travel into an adventure full of stories. Some exciting, some thrilling, some crazy, wild, and some unforgettable. We have Soni Saloni talking to us today about hookups, breakups, and solo travel. We have so much to discuss with her. Okay, Saloni, so excited to have you finally on the podcast. Our podcast is called as Visa Nahi Mila. And we're very excited to have you on the podcast after a long time of trying to get you here. But where are you? Where are you currently? Tell us.
So thanks a lot, bro, for inviting me. Actually, I am like, I'm sorry if I don't look very enthusiastic because I've been very exhausted in the recent times. Like, I was literally outside India and then I had to like fly back because my friend had a bachelorette and now she has a wedding and I have to attend.
Oh,
Right. So she's my best friend. So I am at I'm going to her wedding after this wedding that I'm already at. So
okay.
I'm in Jaipur, close to Jaipur. We are having a some destination wedding over here right now. So
Fancy.
yeah, like
You say you're basically doing best friend duties, which is not bad, all that bad after all.
I'm doing, I mean, it has not started yet. अभी बहुत है और duties चल रहा है.
Okay, but now that we've got your time here, Saloni, thanks for giving us this time in between all of this running around to quickly catch up with you. And let's just quickly begin. So, with regards to your journey, I've been following it for a while, and I know that you do a lot of solo trips. So, what exactly inspired you to travel solo? And, as a person, how has this inspired or changed you as a person?
Actually, like solo is something which became very, very popular just at that time when I was starting. तो मैंने क्या करा था कि I wanted to go out and travel because वो कोरोना का पैंडेमिक चल रहा था ना उस टाइम पे. So I was like, okay, बहुत हो गया. I want to go out and travel and see something. And my friends were all like we're busy and all this. And my ex-boyfriend, he was also like, no, my boss is not giving me leave and all this. So मैंने बोला कि भाई I am not going to wait for anyone. And
Yeah.
फिर I started looking up things कि is it possible to go by yourself
Hmm.
because is it safe and stuff. And then internet, thankfully, our it is a blessing to me today, social media and internet. I connected with some women on Insta also and I messaged them कि bro, is it safe and stuff, can I go? तो मुझे दिखा कि हाँ मोटा मोटी चल जाएगा, we won't die, we can go. ठीक है. So I went for that trip just like that क्योंकि अब मुझे घूमना था, find
Yeah.
any company.
Hmm.
And it turned out amazing and I was like, let's do this again. तो उसके बाद से I have been like going from one solo trip to another. I was working at that time.
That's amazing. So you started out at one of the most difficult times जब वो COVID का पूरा ये चल रहा था, but then you took the step, you did it. But you know what? There are so many women out there I know of who want to travel solo, but there's something that's always stopping them. It could be fear internally. It could be someone from the family probably holding them back and not letting them do that. So what do you have to say to these people कि what's that one thing जो finally आपको मतलब आपको सोचना नहीं बस अब करना ही है types, that can give them a little bit of a push of sorts.
या आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि मुझे इतने लोग मैसेज करते हैं ना इंस्टाग्राम पे. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड द साइकोलॉजी कि क्या चल रहा है. बिकॉज सोलो वुमेन ऑलवेज मैसेज मी कि मुझे जाना है सोलो ट्रिप पे एंड देन आई आस्क देम कि तो व्हाई नॉट, व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू, व्हाई यू नॉट गोइंग.
Yeah.
सो वन थिंग आई रियलाइज इज most of these women who want to do a solo trip, they have not been to a cafe by themselves. ठीक है. they have not gone to places by themselves at all. तो सोलो कैसे
हाँ,
होगा?
correct,
Right?
correct.
What I was doing was like, I was always, after I left my house, मैं कॉलेज खुद से गई, उसके बाद whenever I used to go somewhere, especially after the pandemic, it
Yeah,
became very important to do things by yourself because people started having their own lives. क्योंकि
correct.
सबका अपना ही जोन चल रहा है, you cannot meet people, everyone
Mm.
started creating their own lives, so तुम्हें, you have to do things by yourself. I think that is one thing that really stops them. Go to cafes by yourselves, find out, what you can enjoy. Like for me, like I have so much time with myself, I end up listening to music so much, like मेरे Spotify पे चलता रहता है कुछ ना कुछ पूरे टाइम.
Okay.
So you have to spend time with yourself, and that's when you will be, inspired ki, okay, instead of going to a cafe, let's go to a hill station near my
Hmm.
place, near my house next weekend.
Yeah.
That is how it will be starting. And I think at the end of the day, your family is also going to pressure you ki bhai tumhara it's not safe and all, and
Hmm.
there are so many women are doing it. I have been doing it for like years now, and it is safe. कोई तुम्हें खा नहीं जाएगा वहां पे. So I think excuses सब पीछे छोड़ के जाओ. Excuse on your family and parents and all of that stuff.
Tell me, Saloni, how do you approach relationships or dating while you're on the go, while you're traveling? Do you meet people and, do you think of it that maybe I could, hit off with somebody while I'm traveling? Is it different? How is it? How's the whole dynamic?
Yeah, so like relationships and stuff, like I was actually I was dating, like I was in a relationship when I started traveling and stuff. But then उसके बाद तो breakup हो गया था after some time.
Hmm.
But like mostly what I have experienced is a lot of single life, which
Yeah.
I never got before. Like I was in such a long relationship, मतलब 7 साल का relationship था,
Mm-hmm.
and एकदम बचपन college love type. So I
Oh,
never got that time to be by myself and be single and stuff. Now I'm so happy कि भाई finally अब मुझे single होने का chance मिला है. अब I'm not going to other commitment. भाई
yeah.
अभी जिंदगी में खुश रहो. So that's how it has been for now. And I have how I approach is I date people. I
Hmm.
date people, I get to know them, and I get to know myself in the process. Like किसी ने वो like डियर जिंदगी में वो डायलॉग नहीं था कि कुर्सियां ट्राई करना चाहिए
Correct.
before you find the one. And so many
Yes.
women trust me while solo traveling. They say कि it's okay until and unless you don't reject people, you will not realize कि तुम्हारा actually what do you want.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
that is how it has been mostly. Like I go for like dates mostly, but not like relationship की
Hmm.
मतलब आई एम नॉट रेडी टू बी लाइक कि हाँ बैठ गए हैं कुर्सी पे यही चाहिए अब
This is
डन
the
दिस
kursi I
एंड ऑफ
want. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, but can you like share any memorable story or anything that you remember you met somebody while you were on a travel? Probably you all had like similar interests, because when we travel, we usually मतलब conversations mostly travel को related होते हैं, जिस जगह में होते हैं ये वो. So have you ever hit off with somebody like that because you were traveling to a place because of that destination or something like that?
यार दैट इज द ऑलवेज देयर. आई फील लाइक माई जॉब इज टू माई लिटरली माई जॉब इज टू बी इन रोमांटिक प्लेसेस ऑल द टाइम. ठीक है. मेरा
You're
काम
living
है
the
कि
life,
तुम
Saloni.
यू नो इट जिनल. तो बेसिकली हमारा काम ही यही होता है कि तुम
हाँ,
जाओ और रोमांटिक प्लेस. मेरे को ब्रांड लाके बोलते हैं आ जाओ रोमांटिक प्लेस में
हाँ,
शूट करने के लिए.
हाँ.
मैं बोलती हूँ सो वी हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस द प्लेस.
Yes.
एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोफेशन बिकॉज लोग क्या करते हैं, वो लोग जाते हैं एंड दे एक्सपेक्ट दैट फॉर अ वीक और वीकेंड और समथिंग दे गेट दैट हैप्पीनेस. जबकि हमें हर दिन वो उनकी जगह पे एक्सपीरियंस करके चेक करना होता है,
Yeah.
if the vibe is good or not.
Yeah.
So I am always in romantic places, always in adventurous places, among young people, among people who are, looking forward to life and looking forward to meeting people in life, looking forward to dating. So definitely, I have often, found people just because of the destinations and place I'm in naturally.
Okay. Have you had any very weird encounters with men in life in general? Like very funny but very weird kind of an experience, encounter with somebody?
like अभी actually I just recently posted something about this. तो
हाँ
मेरे को एकदम वो याद आ गया
हाँ
कि बहुत सारे weird encounters भी होते हैं. So
हाँ
I had posted about this कि एक had gone on a date with this guy who was this Australian guy,
हाँ
and he was like हम कुछ भी बात करते थे तो उसके बीच में he would start talking about cricket randomly. ठीक है, और मेरे को
हाँ
क्रिकेट में इतना
हाँ
आई मीन है, बट आई एम नॉट लाइक वन ऑफ दोस पीपल लाइक माई ब्रदर एंड माई फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल. अगर इंडिया हार जाती है तो यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू देम दैट डे, मतलब वो लोग इतना दुखी हो जाएंगे कि
गॉड
तुम.
या आई नो हाँ
So this Australian guy, he's just talking about cricket, and he was like, yeah, Australia is number one, and India is India doesn't come close. India is not number one. And I'm like, I don't care, bro. Like, just go on, aage, what's next? And then the funny thing is, like, even if we are like walking around and going somewhere, and he would just casually have a conversation, just like, ki what the direction is we are asking or something,
हाँ
where to take the
हाँ
train or something.
हाँ
He would be like, he would say to that person, but you know who are the world champions?
oh my
Right next.
god, so like unrequired plugins everywhere.
Yeah, he would like constantly be just joking about that and just talking about that. Like, not like standing right there, and he would just like do it multiple times. I was pissed. I was like, I'm not even letting it show on my face now, but I was
But
like,
did you
क्या कर
tell
रहा
him
है?
this? Did you eventually end up telling him this? Like, did you bring it up in any
No,
conversation? कि क्यों हो
he
रहा
was
है? Why
very
are you doing this?
नो बिकॉज इट्स नॉट दैट फेज ना कि मैं बैठ के उसको कुछ टॉक दूं. सी इट्स नॉट लाइक रिलेशनशिप एट ऑल. लाइक आफ्टर
हाँ
2-3 days you can be like, कि what I don't you like मतलब let's talk about something else, but वो like I'm just meeting him for 2-3 times, right? I cannot
yeah.
tell him कि भाई you are annoying me and you're being loud about a certain thing. और वो कुछ भी हो रहा है उसमें, उसको एकदम दुखी कर दूं मैं कि चुप हो जा.
Tell me, Saloni, as a solo female traveler, there are a lot of judgments that are passed. Judgments, even from fellow travelers sometimes, from the society, from people who care, from people who are not concerned. हर तरीके से, हर जगह से, there are judgments passed. What do you have to say to these people and what do you have to say to people who are scared कि मुझे कोई कुछ बोल देगा? Somebody will see me as a bad person if I'm traveling solo. मैं लड़की हूँ, मैं अकेली travel करूँगी, तो I'll be perceived as whatever. What do you have to say to that?
Yeah, one thing I've realized since the time I've grown up now, कि 20, especially after 24, 25, now it's been like I'm 28 right now, and one
Hmm.
thing I've realized is कि जितना तुम लोगों की कम सुनोगे ना, this is one lesson I've learned as growing up. जितना तुम लोगों को कम सुनोगे, the less of a rat's you give to people. उतना तुम खुश रहोगे, ठीक है? क्योंकि
True.
हमारे सोसाइटी में क्या करते हैं कि लाइक स्टार्टिंग से लड़कियों पे इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर डाल देते हैं, तुम्हें ऐसा भी होना चाहिए, ऐसा भी होना चाहिए,
Hmm.
वैसा भी होना
Hmm.
चाहिए, कि
Hmm.
हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर में रहते हैं यार,
Hmm.
स्पेशली which comes with the gender that we are born into. Like,
Yeah.
it's just so, even like as I grew up, so I think judgments people will pass,
Hmm.
and trust me, अगर तुम उनका एक जजमेंट सुनोगे तो तुम्हें सब कुछ सुनना पड़ेगा. लाइक
Hmm.
अगर तुमने एक में अपना सर नीचे कर दिया कि तू
Hmm.
ये भी मत कर, तुम
Hmm.
सुनते ही जाओगे द टाइम,
Hmm.
राइट? सो
Hmm.
solo travel is something you deserve, and you deserve to go out and experience by yourself, because at the end of the day you are the person who's going to be there for yourself, and you will die with yourself. No one, not even the love of your life, not even your parents, not even your brother or sister, is going to be there with you 100% of the time in your life. And solo travel brings out the relationship you have with yourself.
Right.
हम लोग सारे मम्मी पापा के लिए सब करते रहते हैं, पति के लिए सब कर लेंगे, सब कुछ करें, बट खुद के लिए, खुद के साथ रिलेशनशिप ही क्या, यू नेवर टॉक टू योर सेल्फ लाइक हु यू
Right.
आर. सो आई थिंक सोलो ट्रैवल शुड बी लाइक मैंडेटरी.
Yeah,
कोर्स
it
में
gives
डाल
you
देना
the
चाहिए.
time to be more comfortable and learn more about yourself, I think.
Yeah, definitely. You even if and solo travel also, even if people are judging you, like they are saying कि अकेले घूम रहे हैं and all that,
Hmm.
then it doesn't matter what they're saying.
Yeah.
Even if they're not saying it on your face, amazing.
Hmm.
Don't overthink about it. if they are saying it on your face also, you tell them that this is important for my own growth. Kal ko,
Hmm.
today I'm going to be there for myself. I'm not sure if the person who is judging you, are they going to be there? I don't think so.
Correct.
So, yeah, that's how it.
Saloni, we have one last question in this segment for you. Do you think that Indian men have it harder than, men in the Western countries when it comes to travel dating? Are they perceived differently?
देखो इसमें one more thing. So the thing is, Indian men फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैव इट हार्डर करके इंडियन मैन को ज्यादा लगता है, विच इज नॉट ट्रू. आई
Hmm.
मीन इफ यू आर अ ब्राउन गाय, इफ यू आर एन
हाँ,
इंडियन गाय,
हाँ,
देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली, इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, स्पेशली मेरा तो मोस्टली इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल का पर्सपेक्टिव है, बिकॉज मैंने मतलब आजकल मोस्टली आई एम इनटू इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल. नेशनल का तो आई हैव नॉट बीन डूइंग राइट नाउ. सो व्हाट
correct.
आई सीन इज लाइक इंडियन मैन एंड ब्राउन गाइज डोंट हैव इट हार्डर.
Hmm.
बट वो लोग इतना परसेप्शन बना के रखते हैं ना, दे हैव सो मेनी वॉइसेस इन देयर हेड दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्टेप आउट. एंड देन अगर आई सी लाइक सो मेनी men in my comment section putting me down कि
Hmm.
if I'm putting something about dating guys and stuff, they are always putting me down, calling me
Hmm.
names. I'm like कि
Hmm.
if because they have those demons in their head which tell them कि
Hmm.
you cannot do this.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो आई एम लाइक कि दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. इंडियन मैन एंड ब्राउन गाइज, इनफैक्ट मेरी एक दोस्त थी, शी इज
हाँ,
बेल्जियन, एंड
हाँ.
शी इज ओनली इनटू ब्राउन गाइज. ओके, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि भाई तेरे को क्या दिखता है? ओके.
Why can't we see that? कहाँ है? क्या है? What is it? True, true, true.
Um, so she is only into brown guys, and she was very close friend of mine.
Yeah.
And then when so when I started traveling, then I saw that she immediately posted stories with another Indian guy. तो,
Oh.
तो उस टाइम पे हम श्रीलंका में थे, और श्रीलंका में एक ही लड़के से मिली, ठीक है, जो इंडियन था.
हाँ,
वो
हाँ,
मतलब दोस्त की तरह, वी वर इन द
हाँ,
स्टाफ,
हाँ,
वी वर डूइंग स्कूल ड्राइविंग टुगेदर. एक ही
हाँ.
बंदे से मिली. उसने मैं अगले दिन श्रीलंका से गई, तो उसने उसी बंदे के साथ स्टोरी डाला. मैं बोला अरे अरे ये वही गिने चुने लड़के, मतलब जो जिनसे मैं बात करती हूँ. एंड वो मिल भी गया उसको, और वो मतलब इट वाज लिटरली लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी. आई हैव मेट अनदर इटालियन गर्ल जो एकदम
Hmm.
पागल थी भाई बिहाइंड दिस इंडियन गाय, एंड आई वाज लाइक
Okay.
डूड, क्लियरली ही इज not treating you right.
I
But
can already imagine the comments. People will be like, अरे कहाँ कौन ढूंढ रहे हैं? हम हैं available वे हूँ कौन ढूंढ रहा है? Saloni, we're just moving into our next segment, which is called as Brace for Turbulence. And that's because we have some turbulent questions for you. You can answer them in short, but let's just quickly dive into it. Okay. Travel vlogging looks very glamorous, but let's be honest. Is it really as glamorous as people show it, or there's another side to it?
I never show travel blogging as glamorous. It is freedom, and it is freedom to the core. Like, I love everything about it from head to toe.
Okay. Have you ever exaggerated or played up, any experience because you wanted it to look nice on camera, or maybe you wanted to convince people that I'm doing enough justice to the beauty of the destination?
I used to do that when I started travel blogging. जितना आगे बढ़ी, I realized that जितना reality दिखाओगे, that is going to work.
Okay.
If you try to spice up and change things,
Hmm.
it's not enjoyable for both you and the audience.
Absolutely. You worked with a lot of brands, Saloni. Do you ever feel pressurized to just say the good things when it comes to brand collaborations, like if they're sponsoring a travel or something like that?
Yeah, definitely. Little bit it is there. Matlab, we cannot straight off say crass things. We are working
Hmm.
with them.
Hmm.
They put our trust in us, and they want to bring out some good content, right? Some good. We are also working together. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी कर देंगे. We will give them some what do you soft corner in our heart because we are working. But हाँ, मतलब if they are straight off some shitty brand, तो I will not like take it to the end. But
Yeah,
some soft corner will always, if you're working for a brand, bro, like they are
right.
also having a lot of good positive points to them.
Okay, have you ever rejected any brand deal right away, in the beginning itself because it did not align with your thoughts or your, what you believe in your messaging on social media?
Yeah. I reject brand deals a lot. In fact, when I started, I had a job when I
Hmm.
started travel blogging. So I till today, मतलब when I started also, I was never dependent on it for money. Now also I don't think about it कि भाई पैसा कमाना है बस, जो सबसे ज्यादा पैसे दे रहे हैं. I have literally worked with very few select brands, and every
Yeah.
time you listen to the name of a brand to work with,
Hmm.
you'll probably heard it before. Like Decathlon, like Coca-Cola, like all of
Yeah.
these brands, like Asia.
Huh.
Most brands is something you have heard of it before also. So I rejected a lot of brand deals. Like I don't do much.
Okay. Are there any travel destinations that you think social media influencers have like glorified like anything, but when you actually travel there, you were like, इसमें इतना कुछ, it's not a big deal. It was just glorified.
Yeah, definitely. I have spoken about it very openly. Azerbaijan is a travel destination कि मेरे को तो नहीं लगा कि it was up to the mark. I don't know why people promoted it so much. Very
Okay.
average. Maybe जो
Huh.
maybe जो starting में जा रहे हो इतना traveled नहीं हो, maybe they will feel excited about it. I thought
Okay.
it was very 5 on 10.
What's the most dishonest thing you've seen another travel content creator do? You don't have to name them, obviously, but anything that you've seen, noticed.
I think one is
Dishonest
this.
मतलब हो,
ये
हाँ
Azerbaijan
मतलब,
जिन लोगों ने
हाँ, it yeah, like it could be something where you know in your
that
heart कि ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है ऐसी चीज, or this is just a
yeah, I
clickbait.
think that only. Like
Hmm.
I think specifically ऐसा ही ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन का, ये अजरबैजान का स्पेसिफिकली वन प्लेस विच आई हैड पुट वाज नॉट वर्थ इट एट ऑल. फिर भी
हाँ.
वहां पे जाके ड्रोन शॉट डाला कि भाई ड्रोन से अच्छा दिख रहा है, वो ड्रोन से जो दिख रहा है वो तुम्हें नहीं दिखेगा रियल लाइफ में.
Yeah, exactly. People don't realize that.
तो
Everything looks so pretty on the drone. So,
हाँ, तो आई थिंक दैट वाज प्रीटी. मेरा वो रील वायरल गया था एंड ऑल क्रिएटर्स नो कि दैट इज नॉट अ प्लेस वर्थ भी जाके लोग डाल रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज
okay.
डिसऑनेस्ट.
What's the one thing? Now you've traveled to a lot of international destinations, okay? And what's the one thing that you feel ki Indian government can do better, you know, to garner tourism or to make it a just a nicer place than you know, to pose it as a nicer place for tourists to come? Because I know that a lot of international destinations actively put in those efforts कि हमारा tourism और boost हो, हम ये करें तो you know tourists will feel better to come to our place. तो ऐसा क्या है जो एक या दो चीज जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट यू थिंक की लैक करता है और कर सकते हैं और बेटर उस पे?
या देर आर लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस इंडिया में टूरिज्म में बहुत ज्यादा गैप है. लाइक देर आर मल्टीपल थिंग्स दैट कैन बी डन एंड पूरा दिन लग जाएगा इफ आई टेल. बट आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग इज सेफ्टी. आई
हम्म.
थिंक ऑल पीपल आई हैव मेट have had like some or the other concern about safety.
हम्म.
So that assurance and keeping the women in your own country kind of feeling safe कि कल को मैं उठ के बाहर जाऊंगी तो what is the kind of, first make the women in your country feel very safe, and
एब्सोल्युटली.
then it's going to bring more women, more travelers. क्योंकि it's always about women travel. India, everyone talks about traveling with women
या.
because चाहे तुम अकेले लड़की आ रहे हो, चाहे कोई बंदा के साथ आ रहे हो,
हम्म.
even the partners have concerns कि how comfortable their girl will feel in India.
हम्म.
So I think women's safety is a very, very big thing that needs to be improved in terms of tourism. And second is, of course, cleanliness. Like, I think बहुत सारे places, like I've been to, even like, I think Jaisalmer Fort and all, I saw like clean नहीं है. Like
हम्म.
there's so much garbage and stuff. Like honestly, I feel like अब से मैं garbage bag लेके घुमा करूंगी कि जो मुझे दिख रहा है मैं उठा लूँ इधर उधर
एटलीस्ट
से.
या.
There's a
या.
lot of gap in cleanliness because उसमें क्या है कि we have a lot of population. That's also a big problem in
या.
solving that.
या.
But safety is definitely number one, like to
You,
increase
so
tourism.
now that you're speaking on women's safety, just one quick question before we move to the next segment. You know, you've met a lot of women from different countries, right? You said you met someone from Italy, you've met people from other countries, women I'm talking about. What's the general perception of India when you say, you know, कि मतलब कोई भी बात निकलती होगी country के बारे में, तो what's their perception about traveling to India?
I think जो India is always extremes. India is
Hmm.
either amazing,
Hmm.
love India,
Hmm.
बंदियां आके मतलब 6-7 महीने सेटल हो
हाँ.
गई, कोई 6-7
हाँ.
साल से रह रहा है. It's always extreme. Either they love India and they fall in love with it,
Hmm.
or they say that it was or they say that they're scared to go. तो वो ना
हाँ.
apprehension बहुत ज्यादा है कि is it possible for me to go solo and stuff like that. I have personally shared my contact number with so many people कि
Yeah.
if you're coming, let me know. I will uh, how what are the places you should be at, and to
Yeah.
feel safe as well. So they definitely have these apprehension and extreme love. These are the
Right.
only two things mostly I
Two
have seen
extremes.
about India.
Okay, we're moving to the next segment, Saloni, and this segment is called as ye or nay. Okay, ठीक है, इसमें आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You just have to say ye. So this is ye. If your answer is ye, and if this is nay. Okay, so you just need to say that. And these questions are based on you. People know you on social media. I know that, but here are some questions which will let people know another different side of Saloni which they may not know of. Okay, some basic questions. Okay, so are you a morning person?
Yes.
Do you like risky adventures?
Yes.
Do you like to be around people?
A lot.
Are you the life of a party?
Yes, absolutely freaking much. I can make a party with one person
Wow.
also.
Okay. Is fashion important to you?
Very important. Yes.
Do you enjoy your own company?
A lot. Yes.
Have you ever told a lie to your audience in any way, small, big, anything?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I have told.
Okay. Have you gone without a shower for over 3 days when you were traveling?
Yes, of course. Cold places. Russia.
Okay. Do you like spending time with a lot of kids around you?
No.
Okay. Okay. Would you go on a date with your follower or subscriber if they asked you?
Yeah, yeah, why not? Yes.
Do you typically, if you're trying to learn a new language, do you typically learn a bad word in a new language first?
No. Thank you and hello and all that. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever created any content in the past that now you think you don't resonate with?
Yes.
Okay. And the last one from this segment is what you're doing currently. Is this your dream job?
Yes. It is my dream job. There is, I mean, more jobs on top of this, but yes, it's my dream job.
Okay. And now, Saloni, we're just going to be moving to the last segment of our talk, which is the rapid fire segment, which obviously, as the name suggests, requires you to be very rapid and as fiery as you can. Okay. Have you ever used I don't speak the language to escape a creepy situation?
No,
What's the biggest lie
no, I
you may
don't.
have told while you're traveling?
Like I have told sometimes that I'm traveling with my friends when I'm traveling solo, so that I don't look very ki akele ladki hai and all that.
Okay. What's that one country where you feel like the men are the most attractive?
One country. Yeah, I think French guys are the most attractive, but I
Okay.
have, yeah, like maybe one.
Okay. Would you ever date an Indian guy while traveling?
Yeah, yeah, I have dated.
What's the weirdest pickup line you've heard on your travels or in your life?
Not really. I don't think I'm a person who is picked up with pickup lines.
That.
Dude,
Yes,
I am
yes.
that person who you are trying to catch. If some guy is trying to catch my attention, I will walk right past that guy. Like वो दिखेगा भी नहीं मुझे. Pickup line बोल भी रहा होगा मुझे सुनाई नहीं देगा. I have to be like really interested in you, in that person जो pickup line बोल रहा है. I
Okay.
I
Um,
don't know.
what's the biggest stereotype you've heard about women traveling?
I think the biggest stereotype is that it is unsafe to travel as a woman, and you shouldn't travel as a woman. Like,
Okay. Have you ever gotten into trouble because of what you were wearing in any country?
yeah, definitely. I have gotten into trouble, especially in Egypt, in Cairo, because what happened was कि a lot of people were catcalling me continuously, and
Hmm.
मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया. I was like, what is happening? I've posted a full vlog about that on YouTube. कि मतलब, why is everyone, dude, kids were coming behind me. Like I
Oh
was like,
God.
क्या
Huh.
हो गया? And then later, I went and I told my friends, hostels and stuff. There was this French dude. He was
Hmm.
half French, half Algerian, and he was like, I think it was probably because you were wearing a crop top, and I was like,
Oh.
"What?" It was a simple crop top, bro. Like यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है, यहाँ से जीन्स स्टार्ट, पेट भी नहीं दिखा था उसमें, इतना सा दिख रहा था. And then later I realized कि okay, like next time I will not do that. Yeah, that
Okay.
is, I remember that.
Okay. What's the one travel experience that you'd never tell your parents about?
Never tell. Yeah, I think I don't share my dating stories with my parents, and they are very comfortable. Like कि we, I don't think they want to know also.
Yeah, 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 I'm sure. Yeah. Okay. What's the one country, according to you, that you felt the safest traveling as a woman?
Japan, like crazy safe,
Okay. And one
crazy
country
safe.
you felt the most uncomfortable traveling as a woman?
Yeah, Egypt, quite
Ye-
uncomfortable. But
Okay.
but Egypt is actually my favorite solo travel destination, by the way. Like
Okay.
favorite travel destination. Anyone who asks me what's your favorite country to travel, it's
Yeah.
always Egypt.
Okay. If you have to just pick one, no travel for a year, no dating for a year.
No dating, bro. I can't leave travel. I will die. No dating. I don't care for men.
Okay. Um, one word for people who say लड़कियां travel करके बिगड़ जाती है.
बिगड़ने दो भाई. एक जिंदगी है.
All right. Thank you so much, Saloni. Thank you for your time. It was great chatting with you. And what a day to chat with you. This is like a virtual date. It's Valentine's Day. And we're having this whole conversation on your on the dating life and on your travels. It was really fun. Good day to catch up with you. And I hope that we keep getting inspired by your travels, and I hope that people feel safer from all that we've discussed today. I just feel like people feel safer and better to come and travel in our country, because I know that there's so much here, so much scope.
Yeah, and it was very nice having you on a date, Jinal. Like, I really like what you're wearing, by the way. You're wearing some pink
I
thing
dressed
as
up for
well.
you.
Oh, you look so cute. I'll hit on you when you're in front of me.
Absolutely, absolutely. ठीक है सलोनी. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you, thank you. So that was today's episode of our podcast वीज़ा नहीं मिला, क्योंकि वीज़ा नहीं मिला तो क्या हुआ, कहानियाँ तो फ्री है. If you like this video and this series, then don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel for the next episode of वीज़ा नहीं मिला.
And action.
Today we have with us someone